Hi everyone, so today we're going to continue with one-step inequality review. So if you could please open your notebooks. Today's lesson, as you can see, I messed up, but it obviously is 5.1, one-step inequalities, and then page 26 for me. So today we're going to be working through how to identify a solution to a one-step inequality when given a variety of answers. You can do plug and chug and figure out what goes in and what doesn't, or you can solve to figure out what works and what doesn't. And I think solving is easier so that you know exactly what the solutions are as opposed to guessing for or checking every single one, which you do have to do for inequalities. So again, we're going to be working with solutions. So example 1. So let's say that our inequality is f plus 8 is greater than or equal to 12. And our options were A, f can equal 4, B, f can equal 5, and C, f can equal 6. So personally, I think it's easier just to solve this and figure out which of these work so you don't have to plug in f equals 4, f equals 5, and f equals 6. So let's go through and solve. So we're going to subtract 8 from both sides, and that gives us f is less than or equal 12 minus 8 is 4. So f is less than or equal to 4. So the only one of these that is less than or equal to 4 is f equals 4. Therefore, this is the only valid response. Okay. Example 2. (3n minus 7 is less than 26. And then our options are A, n equals 10, B, n equals 11, and C, n equals 12. So I'm going to start by solving. So I'm going to add 7 to both sides. I get 3n is less than 33. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Since I'm dividing by a whole number, or sorry, a positive number, my sign gets to stay the same, and I get n is less than 11. Okay, so here I'm going to look through. This is not less than 11. This is not less than 11. 10 is less than 11, so 10 is my only valid response. Okay, example 3. I have 7x is less than 21, and my responses were A, x equals 1, B, x equals 2, and C, x equals 3. So again, I'm going to work through and solve. So divide both sides by 7. I get x. I divide it by a positive number, so my sign stays the same. X is less than 3. 3 is not less than 3. 2 is less than 3. And 1 is less than 3. So those are my valid responses. Okay, let's do a couple more. Let's do example 4. 2 is greater than or equal to y over 5 plus or minus 1. And then my valid responses are A, y equals 15, B, y equals 20, and C, y equals 25. Okay, so again, my goal is to isolate my variable. This one's actually 2 steps. So this one is kind of an intro to what we're going to do tomorrow. So I'm going to add 1 to both sides because I always start with that. Because I'm trying to get y by itself. Since the whole thing isn't divided by 5, I'm going to leave that. So now I have 3 is greater than or equal to y over 5. In order to isolate the variable to get rid of the 5, I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. Oops, 5 over 1. That cancels. And I get 15 is less than or equal to y. So 20 is not, or sorry, 15 is greater than or equal to y, so y is less than or equal to 15. So this isn't true, this isn't true, but 15 is true. Okay, let's do 2 more quickly. Example 5. You know what? Let's just do one more. Let's do 5m plus 1 is greater than or equal to 4. And my possible options are A, m equals 0, B, m equals 1, and C, m equals 2. So I'm going to start by solving. Okay, and then from here, I'm going to divide both sides by 5. And I get m. Don't need to flip my sign because I divided by a positive number. It's less than 3/5. Okay, so this one's kind of funky because it's less than a fraction. This fraction is less than 1, so this does not work, which would also mean 2 does not work. And A is going to be my correct answer here.